In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide events from others in Google Calendar, ensuring your schedule remains private when needed. We all have meetings or personal plans that we prefer to keep discreet, and Google Calendar provides a few simple ways to manage your event visibility. Let's dive right in and explore these methods, starting with making individual events private. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. Once you're in, locate the event you wish to keep under Wraps. Click on it to select the event, and you'll want to head over to the Edit option, easily identifiable by the pencil icon. Now that you're in the event editing screen, scroll down until you find the Visibility option. This is the key to controlling who can see your event details. Here, you should select the Private option. This ensures that others will only see you as busy during that particular time slot without access to any details about what you're doing. Just a quick reminder, the default setting in many cases may be Public, which allows anyone you've shared your calendar with to see all the details. So it's crucial to make this adjustment if privacy is your goal. Once you've chosen private, simply click Save, and your event is now hidden from peering eyes. A small tip, even with a private setting, any guests you've already invited to this event will still see it, unless you remove them from the guest list. Moving on to the second option, we'll adjust the calendar sharing settings if you wish to apply privacy on a larger scale. On the left sidebar of your Google Calendar, navigate to the specific calendar you'd like to adjust. Click the three dots next to it and select Settings and Sharing. Once you're in, scroll to find the Access Permissions section. If you want to keep your calendar hidden from public view or prevent others from seeing specific event details, make sure to uncheck Make Available to Public or See All Event Details. Additionally, if you're sharing your calendar with specific people and wish to control what they see, scroll a bit further to locate the Share with Specific People section. Here, for each person with access, set their permissions to see only free/busy, hide details. This way they can see whether you are available, but won't have insight into the exact nature of your commitments. Following these steps will give you enhanced control over your calendar privacy, ensuring that your personal and professional life remains as open or concealed as you desire. By using these straightforward methods, you can maintain your privacy and control who sees your Google Calendar events. I hope this guide helps you manage your schedule with confidence and ease. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!